I made a previous video about a service called Pictory, which can take scripts, blog posts, and existing media and turn it into stunning videos using AI. Today I want to show you another service called Invideo, which is its direct competitor. First, you'll want to navigate to Invideo.io and click on the sign up button in the top right corner. After signing up, you'll be brought to a text prompt where you can start describing your video. You'll always want to be as specific as possible when writing prompts. But if you're not sure how to do this, you could use a free chatbot like Microsoft's Copilot and ask it to create a script on a specific video and idea you have in mind. For this example, I'm going to ask Invideo to create a 2-minute YouTube video talking about all of the advances in artificial intelligence over the last 12 months, using a male voice with an educational tone, and it be cinematic video. Once you've done that, you can just click Generate Video. You'll notice the workflow button in the top right corner. This will allow you to change it to a YouTube short, a YouTube explanation video, a recent events video, or something related to script video. I'm going to leave it at default and I'm going to click Generate a Video. On the next screen, you'll be asked if you want to fine-tune your attributes a bit further. I love what Invideo has done here. I'm going to keep it the same and I'm going to hit Continue. Alternatively, if you wanted to go back and edit the prompt, you could click Edit and it would bring you back to the original prompt where you could fine-tune it further. So here's the generated video with visuals along with captions to go with the text. If you're not satisfied with the preview after reviewing it, you can click the plus sign in the top right corner, and this will bring us back to the same screen where we can change the attributes again or re-edit the prompt. You can click the edit button in the bottom right hand corner and you'll see all of the slides in the timeline, and you can cycle through each and every one of them. If you click on one of them, it will automatically highlight the text in the script. This will tell you what is specifically being said during this frame in the video. You'll also notice in the top left corner next to Edit Media, there's also Edit Script. This will show you what the script is throughout the entire video, and if you wanted to make changes to it, if you were reading it and you didn't agree, or maybe you felt that some areas could be improved, you can just simply click into it and then you could change it to your liking. If I wanted to edit a specific frame in the video, I would click on it and highlight it here. I could swap it in for my own media. If I had my own images or video, I would simply click the Upload Media button here, bring in whatever it is that I had, and then simply click on it and it'll drop it into the frame. Alternatively, if you didn't have any media and you wanted to search something else, there's a search bar on the right here, and if I type in AI, Invideo will bring up a whole host of stock videos that you can then swap in and make changes so that you can align the video more to what the text is saying or more for your vision of what you think the video should be. So in this example, if I wanted to replace this video, I would highlight it, click Replace, and then here it is, and they would be dropped in. If you wanted to refine the video further, in this box here, you could add additional prompts. So for example, let's say you didn't like the voice that was being generated in the video. You could ask Invideo to change the accent, change the tone, and then click Regenerate, and it would regenerate the video based on the input that you provided. Once you're finished making changes and you want to proceed to the next part, you would just simply click the Export button and click Export Video. Here you will be brought to a list of options to further refine how you want the format to be. In the free version, you don't get the opportunity to remove the watermark. And so for this example, I'm going to just change everything down to its default, and then I can hit Continue. But if you had the paid version, you could of course change it to whatever you wanted it to be. Once Invideo has done the export process and you've selected what type of format you want to use, you're brought here where you're ready to go ahead and do two things. You could either share the video with someone or you could hit download. I won't play the video now. What I'll do is I will attach it at the end so that you can see what it looks like as a finished product. As mentioned before, Invideo is free to use, although you're limited to 4 exports a week with a watermark. If you upgrade to the Plus or the Max tiers, you get a lot more, such as unlimited exports, access to a much larger library of stock footage, and cloud storage to keep all of your videos all in one place. Now I want to play for you the content that Invideo created during the course of this video. Here we go.
Have you ever wondered how the future of AI might look like in the next 5 years? Picture this. A world transformed by AI, from healthcare to education, even transportation. The pace of AI evolution is breathtaking. But before we delve into the future, it's essential to understand the journey AI has taken over the past year. Now, cast your mind back to the past 12 months, a year that saw AI break new grounds. Our journey begins at the dawn of 2023, where we saw machine learning take a giant leap forward. Advanced algorithms started making sense of complex data patterns, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we moved into spring, data analysis emerged as the next frontier. AI systems began to extract valuable insights from gargantuan datasets, making sense of the world in ways we never could. This has transformed industries from healthcare to finance and everything in between. By summer, automation had become the buzzword. AI started taking over repetitive tasks, freeing up human time for more creative pursuits. From manufacturing to customer service, AI-powered automation has made our lives easier. In the fall, AI's prowess in speech recognition came to the fore. We saw systems that could understand and respond to human language with unprecedented accuracy. This has opened up a whole new world of possibilities in communication and accessibility. And who can forget how AI has been instrumental in responding to global challenges, like the COVID-19 pandemic? AI-driven data analysis has been crucial in tracking the spread of the virus, aiding in vaccine distribution, and even predicting future outbreaks. Indeed, the past year has been a roller coaster ride for AI advancements, setting the stage for a future filled with limitless possibilities. As we come to the end of this eye-opening journey, what are the critical points to take home? Let's recap. The pace of AI's evolution is accelerating, creating possibilities once only dreamt of. This technology is poised to revolutionize diverse fields from healthcare to entertainment, and the past year alone has seen significant strides. But it's vital to understand the future of AI isn't just about the machinery. Remember, the future of AI is not just about technology. It's about shaping a world where technology works for everyone.